Pikachu, Pikachu.
Doing Dave's hot chicken roulette challenge. Thank you Arizona and Mike's Hot Honey for the PR package. For this challenge, I'm gonna be blindfolded and my sister's gonna feed it to me. It's a mild, medium, and 1 Reaper. I think this one's medium. This one's mild. Ma, throw it on me. I'm a big boy.
Why are you sweating so much?
Because I'm nervous. I'm sweating already because I'm nervous. Give me another one.
No, it's not Reaper. Something.
No reaction. Diet watermelon water. Oh, and it's spicy.